I'm here today with SS Beauty and some of my beauty editor friends, but what exactly are we supposed to be doing?
So you have a couple of your friends and you're going to be presented with their fragrance picks and you're going to have to identify which fragrance stash belongs to whom.
Hi, my name's Anjan and I'm a beauty editor.
I'm Tatiana. I'm Ria, a beauty writer.
Bani, and I'm a beauty writer.
I'm Sakshi Rawte.
I'm Alfonso and I've been a beauty editor for over a decade.
I'm a lover of all things beauty, which includes
skincare,
love fragrances,
makeup, hair, fragrances.
Can't step out of the house without wearing something super nice every time I'm out.
But most importantly,
of course, lipstick is my go-to.
Okay, so let me get this straight. I'm here with Anjan, Aaron, Ria, Sakshi and Tatiana, and I need to figure out which perfume stash belongs to which of them.
Exactly. Are you ready for today's challenge?
Okay, I'm up for this challenge.
That's a fun challenge because I've known these girls for a while now.
I really hope so.
I don't want to sound overconfident. I feel like I know my friends.
Alright, you want to get started?
Yes, please. Yes.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Bring it on.
I think for me, florals is something that triggers memories of my grandmom. Actually, one of the first designer labels that I think someone had given me. Chloe is again florals. Lancôme La Vie Belle is actually a floral fruity fragrance. So it starts off being very sweet, but then settles into a slightly darker, deeper fragrance. The Givenchy, it's a great nightwear evening fragrance that I tend to use when I'm going out in the evening, so yeah.
This is a big stash.
Okay, so there's CK1, there's Chloe, there's Givenchy and there's Lancôme.
This Givenchy scent is very, very intense and she's known in the industry for her love for intense scents. And this one is a classic, the CK one, and she likes her classics too, so I think this one's Ria.
As a very wild guess, I can sort of tell that this belongs to Tatiana because just upon smelling them, I can just tell that this matches her exact vibe.
I have a feeling this could be Anjan's. There are some classics, there's some crisp notes. So I think it's Anjan.
I am not very confused here, to be honest, because this one feels like Tatiana. She has multiple personalities. From a sari to a dress to a skirt, she can rock it all.
I know I've smelled this one on her, so I think I'm right. I think this is Tatiana.
Okay, so if you can't tell already, I'm clearly a very floral perfume kind of girl. I feel like all three of them speak to very different moods of my own. And if you see Prada and if you see the Marc Jacobs, they're both like very fresh. And I love wearing them during the day. Then when you compare it in contrast to the Carolina Herrera, which is one of my absolute favorite evening wear perfume. If I had just these three on my dresser, I would be able to wear them like absolutely anywhere.
Ooh.
I think a lot of people also buy this for the bottle because it's a great like shelf topper.
So I think maybe this could be Bani.
I'm gonna go with Bani.
This is really hard. I didn't expect this tray to be so hard, but it's really, really hard. Suddenly I'm like, who are my friends and what do they like?
This is Bani. You'll always see her posting about, you know, cool classic stuff from brands. And then she's also somebody who wants to explore new stuff. So I think this tray belongs to Bani.
This one is Sakshi. Yeah, I think this one is Sakshi.
These three seem like sensual Sakshi, so I'm gonna guess that this is Sakshi.
The Jimmy Choo, I Want Choo is a floral scent, but the florals in this aren't very evident. They melt down to a very vanilla-esque scent, which is what I love about this. This scent, because I thought the name was very cheeky. I mean, it's called Very Good Girl. This one also needs no introduction. Even though it's a new launch, everyone's obsessed with it.
Okay, so we have the Jimmy Choo.
We've got the YSL Libre again.
I see this Carolina one is quite popular.
Like I was like a big fan of how cute the bottle is growing up, especially.
So I have a feeling it's Ria.
I feel like it's Bani. I don't know if I'm right. Bani, please don't kill me if this is wrong, but yeah, this is Bani.
I feel like maybe this belongs to Sakshi because like all of these are very like evening, sultry kind of perfumes, and I just feel like it kind of embodies her vibe quite well.
I think from the assortment that I see here, I think this could be Bani.
If you look at the tray, the vibe is completely Sakshi, whether it's this, the bottle,
or the whole sultry, sensuous vibe of these fragrances, I think this one's Sakshi.
I distinguish my fragrances from day and night. I really love the Davidoff Cool Water. It's a classic and I love aquatic fragrances. I love the YSL Libre. It is a beautiful scent. It makes me feel sexy. It makes me feel sensual. It makes me feel like a strong woman. Now that I'm in my mid-30s, I'm veering a little bit to like powdery notes, and the Narciso Rodriguez one has like these. It's just, the base note is just these powdery, soft, feminine notes, which again I tend to wear it during the day.
Oh, okay.
So here we have YSL, Narciso and Davidoff.
I actually haven't tried this one before, the Narciso Neroli.
Cool water.
The Davidoff Cool Water is actually something that I used to steal from my dad when I was a lot younger.
Chances are, if you're a cute guy watching the video and you think I'm cute, just spray this on and pop in front of me. I'll give you my number. I promise.
Reminds me of a cool mommy that Karen is, but
Ria for this one.
These are like the kind of perfumes maybe Anjan would wear, because I know she likes, you know, slightly deeper scents.
hug her and she'll smell different every time, but there'll be this one constant feeling of coolness and depth, and I think this is Karen.
From the top of my head, I think this is Karen's, because I have heard her mention that she likes men's fragrances as well, and if she's someone like me who steals either her husband's or her dad's fragrance, then I think this one's her.
These are my top 3 fragrance picks as we speak. I love, you know, stronger, deeper scents that are super intense, and that has pretty much become my fragrance personality over the years. Also love rose-based fragrances. It's intense, it's long-lasting, it stays, and it can easily move from day to night.
All right.
We have a Bvlgari, we have...
That's Viktor and Rolf.
And we have the YSL again.
I've smelled this one.
These are two overpowering scents, like they're a little strong, and this is very, very rosy. So I don't know whose this could be.
This challenge is a lot tougher than it looks, let me tell you.
Maybe I can guess from this because I've not smelled this before. Yeah, this is Ria. This is definitely Ria.
I mean, if I were just to take like maybe like a wild guess, I would say maybe this one belongs to Ria.
Tatiana, because she's got like, she's also a very strong personality, but she's also very soft when she wants to be or when she can be. So I think maybe this could be Tatiana if I'm not wrong.
So I want to say Karen for this one.
I feel like this could be Sakshi's too.
So I'm introducing you all to my fragrance library today. Firstly, anyone who knows me knows that I don't have a day and a night fragrance. There's of course the YSL Libre, which is a classic evening fragrance. The Versace Eros has been something that I first tried a decade ago, and it sort of stuck with me as a men's fragrance that I can't go wrong with.
This is a very colorful tray.
And the YSL is back for the 3rd time. It's the Akshay Kumar fragrances.
So I see we have a Versace one. Then we have the Narciso.
The minute this tray was gotten, I think I had my answer.
Oh, this was the one that I needed to confirm that this is Anjan's tray.
Like it's kind of between Karen and Ria for me.
Okay, so I think this is Sakshi's. Mainly for the reason that this is a pink bottle and she loves pink.
Either I could be like exactly on point with it or completely wrong. I think this is Anjan.
Okay, let's go with it being Karen. Yeah.
Yeah, this is Anjan's tray.
This is definitely Anjan's. I'm just going by this. This is definitely Anjan's.
This entire stash, this is Anjan.
Who do you think won the challenge?
Yeah.
We think it's possible.
Okay, so 3 people tied up with a score of 3 on 5, which is pretty good.
Okay.
Those 3 people are Sakshi, Bani,
That was unexpected.
and Tatiana.
Bezati ho gayi.
Okay, so 2 people who scored 1 on 5 are Karen and Anjan.
Better than expected, Karen.
And the winner is Ria.
Yay!
So Ria, how do you feel about winning this challenge?
I feel excellent, and I feel like you should also give me the award of being a great friend, because I know them pretty damn well. And yeah, I think I deserve 2 awards today.